but the other. Oh wait,
I'm
okay, I'm playing Mr. Robot.
Mr. Robot, look at me.
Freaking.
Oh, see, wait, is that your song? That's gonna use Ninja.
Oh.
Bro, your team is just standing still next to a washing machine. I think you're trying to pick his weapon now, and I timed them out. This game is actually so brain dead.
The slap hit is so good. I just slapped a random baller that went into the glass routine, and then you're gonna respawn way faster.
Target locked.
But why did you not be able to kill with the Augustin? Ah! Oh my, respawn fast. Yeah, I knew this was happening.
No, I forgot you spawned fast. No,
What you're doing is smart, but possibly very dangerous. I'm sure yeah, my way to go was it was like curvy.
That hurt.
Oh, what if I?
No.
And I. Oh, we didn't see that one coming.
No, I'm gonna lose.
I'm definitely gonna lose.
Shut up, Tom. No,
It's not my fault.